Hey friends, today we are making one of the most nutritionally dense dishes I have in my rotation. I'm of course talking about Fisherman's eggs. So we are going to preheat a pan in the oven while we prep some of the ingredients. I have here sardines in olive oil. Now a little word about the way the sardines are prepared. They're put into the cans raw and then they're cooked in the can. So you're going to have a lot of nutrients in that olive oil. So I don't drain it. All right, so now we're gonna take a fork and we're gonna crumble the sardines in this mixing bowl here. Okay, in this dish, I'm using one of the mass market sardines that I got from the grocery store. I took it out of the box, so I'm not trying to rag on any brand. It's fairly mild. The really good stuff, the Portuguese sardines, I have straight from the can because they're just so delicious. I'm using shallots, but based on your preference, feel free to use red onion, yellow onion, or white onion. Now you'll want to remove the kind of the white membrane of the bell pepper. Okay, I'm gonna throw away the ends here. Now the stems. This is a personal choice, but the legendary chef Jacques Pepin talked about how so many people take cilantro and Italian parsley and throw away the stems. He saves them, uses them in soups and other dishes. I particularly like the crunchy texture that you get from the stems and also the additional source of fiber. Now, if you don't like the nutritional awesomeness of canned sardines, you can sub out another fish if you'd like. You can put in canned salmon, tuna, whatever really. Now I'm gonna put half my crushed chili flakes in, and then I'm gonna reserve the other half to put in over the eggs. Now lemons and sardines really go well together. Looks like the pan is ready. What's amazing about this dish is you're combining two of the best proteins available. It's also amazingly economical. Okay, now we're gonna put the pan back into the top layer of the oven. You have two choices here. If you want your vegetables cooked a little bit more, you can put the vegetables only in the oven and then bring in the eggs later. I prefer them slightly less cooked, so I'm doing the eggs and the vegetables at the same time. Most domestic ovens can vary in temperature, so I'm not gonna give you a specific time. What you wanna do is periodically check and make sure that the eggs get done to the level of doneness that you prefer. Okay, so I think it's ready. Oh yeah. We're gonna finish by salting our eggs. And we're gonna take the crushed chili pepper that we saved I see I have an interested friend here. A lot of people think of this as breakfast food, but I'm having this with a nice German Pilsner, and this makes for a fantastic dinner with a zesty white wine or a beer. I have a toasted slice of ciabatta, and that's a meal.